What is going on, guys? In front of me I got the new project for the channel. So as we can see here, it used to be a Jetta. Now it's a no name. The letters fall off, and it is a GL for good luck, as you can see here. Alright, so here it is, guys. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful machine we got here. Faded paint, that's perfect. Stellies, tinted windows. I actually tinted these windows a couple days ago. They came out like trash, maybe, I don't know. There's the other ones. Let me open this back door right here. I don't know what you think, guys. I'm not a professional tinter. I just try hard, you know. See, that's my line right there. So I think it came out pretty clean, but this is the interior. Not a terrible car. I can't tell you guys how much it was. Okay, it's begging for oil, but I just checked it. I'm pretty sure it's just a bad sensor, but check this out, guys. Hear this beast machine. It's a 96 Volkswagen Jetta 2.0. There's the engine right here. Not too pretty, but it definitely does the job. Oh my god, it comes with the watermelon too. All right, let's slice it up, guys. Okay, I'm honestly trying to be really careful with this car, you know. Like, I'm not trying to scratch it up with this watermelon.
Clean it up.
Yeah, look, all this. Oh my god, why does it have so much dirt? Guys, I recommend you doing this to your car to take off all the extra dirt that's really bad, you know. I'm trying to be easy on this thing because, you know, I love my cars. I'm really trying to be easy on it. I never even floor any car that I've ever had. Wow. It's pretty fast, ain't it? It's pretty fast. Alrighty, guys, we made it to 0 to 40 in 7 seconds. 8 seconds to be exact. Has the balls to do a burnout. I'm trying to do a burnout, guys. It won't.
What are those?
Okay, guys, so that was a really short video showing you this Jetta. Make sure to go down in the comments and tell me if you want to see this car destroyed or if you guys want to see me save it. For reals, I'm gonna do exactly what you guys say. So get down in the comments and tell me what you guys want to see from this car. But that is about it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see more, and see you next time.